Meaning of diastole.
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 Diastole. Diastole is a term used in physiology to describe the phase of the cardiac cycle when the heart muscle relaxes and allows blood to flow into the heart chambers. During diastole, the ventricles expand and fill with blood, while the atria contract and push any remaining blood into the ventricles. This process allows the heart to refill with oxygenated blood, which is necessary for the body's vital organs to function properly. Ultimately, diastole plays an essential role in maintaining healthy cardiac function and overall cardiovascular health.